Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, and guess what? I am back to drinking coffee, and I am loving it. I really missed having my caffeine fix in the morning. So if you're planning a trip to Disney or Universal, first of all, I could book that for you. Yes, that's what I do for a living. But Molly from allears.net has the best videos, so entertaining, so helpful, so many great tips. So right now I'm actually planning our Universal days because I'm traveling with another family who's never been there before, and I just want to make sure I'm doing everything in a good order because since the pandemic I haven't been there. But anyway, super entertaining and very, very helpful. So that's what I'm working on this morning. I am being very lazy this morning. Good morning, Leo. How you doing today? Are you a good boy? We're still trying to grow some hair on Leo. We shaved him down, and I like Leo nice and fluffy, but I'm sure he feels good right now because it is finally getting warm and he gets overheated quick. But he still has a fluffy face, and that's what matters the most. So it's interesting that I decided to vlog today of all days, as I am like dreaming of Universal and our Disney trip and planning. I just got a phone call from my husband. He got into a pretty bad car accident, and thank God he is okay, but the car is not. So I'm driving out to Pennsylvania now to pick him up. He's pretty far. Anyway, I'm not gonna record while I'm driving, but sorry, my neighbor just came out as I was like telling you guys what was up, but I am headed to Pennsylvania and I'll check back with you guys later. So we are home. It is crazy, guys. You never know, right? You just never know what the day is gonna bring. There I am planning for vacation, and thank God everything's okay, but like, this is how things happen, right? And it just kind of puts everything in perspective and makes you think how lucky you are when they go well for you. So I had some gas station coffee and some tasty cakes for breakfast because we stopped on our way home and I was starving. I didn't have time to eat yet this morning. So yeah, I can't even tell you the last time I had one of these coffee cake, tasty cake things. It's my gas station breakfast. And I'm really excited because while Jim was at the lake house, he checked my P.O. box, and I actually have quite a few things, and that is not the norm. Usually like around Christmas time, I'll have some Christmas cards, and every once in a while I'll get like a really nice gift from you guys, but I have a lot to open and I'm really excited about it. Sorry if my camera is shaky. I lost my tripod holder thing. I don't even know what it's called, but you know, the thing that you screw into the bottom of your camera. I know there's a word for it. Is it tripod? I don't know, but I lost it, and I've broken so many. I don't even have any backups right now, so I have to like hold my camera, which makes it a little shaky, especially because I'm always talking with my hands. So it makes it move even more. But anyway, I am going to go through my mail now, and I'll show you guys what I received in my P.O. box. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where to put you guys while I open this, and when the lighting is bad, I really look horrible. Like, my eyes are so puffy today, but anyway, we're gonna go with it. I have a card here. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is from my friend Charlene. Wishing you a day of simple pleasures, special moments, and extraordinary happiness. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, it's a Happy Mother's Day card. I read the back first. That's so, so pretty. I love this. Thank you, Charlene. Me and Charlene have become pen pals over the years and we are always writing each other. And oh look, this is like a pop-up. Oh my gosh, look. This is so adorable. I don't know if you guys could see. It's like 3D pop-up. So cute. I love this. Oh, I'm going to keep this out for a while because it just looks really pretty. Okay, and then I've been doing this whole Paris theme on my Patreon channel, and this is from my friend Margie, who is also a very good friend of mine. Yeah, we've become close through the internet, and she did tell me she was sending me something, so I'm excited to see what this is. Oh, there's such a pretty box inside, and I just love this bag. It's perfect for what I was doing with my patrons this month. So a very nice card. I'm probably going to read it privately, but I'm gonna read this later. But thank you, Margie, for the card. And then let's see what is in this beautiful box. I love getting presents. It's not even my birthday yet. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, this is perfect. I'm gonna put this in my Disney park bag because I'm definitely gonna need tissues because I'm sure I'm gonna cry when I see the castle. I always cry when I see the castle, but especially this year. There will be some serious tears. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So look at how cute this is. It looks like a book about France. Also perfect again. And inside is a Disney gift card. So I can go shopping in the Magic Kingdom on Main Street. I'm so excited. We're also going to Disney Springs a few times. So thank you so much, Margie. This is just so kind and generous of you. And I'm really excited now to go shopping in Disney. Thank you. That was so sweet of you. And I love this. This is adorable. I'm gonna keep this on my bookshelf. Okay, I moved you guys over a little bit because I wanted to take off my jacket because I was getting hot. So this is from my friend Diana, who's also become a good friend, most especially through Patreon. And oh wow, oh my goodness, I'm freaking out right now. You guys know how obsessed I am with Beauty and the Beast. Look at this. This is from the Broadway show. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. And here is the back of the cover. I actually saw this a long time ago and I just love this. This is from the show because she has like, there's probably a card in here that explains everything. I'm just so excited. I saw like the Beauty and the Beast thing and I started freaking out. Let me just see before I start pulling other things out. The appropriate thing is always to read the card first, right? But I usually like to do that privately when I am opening things. Oh, happy early birthday. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is from when Diana actually went to see the show on Broadway, and I saw the show a long time ago, but I did not get the book, and I love it so much. She also included the playbill and the tickets. Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. Thank you so much. How cool is this? I love saving these playbills. My daughter Emily actually frames them and keeps them in her room, and she has a framed one of these for every Broadway show she has ever seen. And we used to go once or twice a year, so she's, you know, 18 now. She has quite a few. We started going when she was maybe 4 or 5 years old, and we've been pretty consistent about it. This is so cute. This is like a vintage thrift store book, and it's called Disney's Epic Mickey. This is really adorable. I love this. I saw some really cool pictures in here. Let me just show you guys. Ooh, they're like creepy pictures. Look at that. I know there's a little bit of a glare, but this was such a kind and thoughtful gift, Diana. Thank you so much. That was really, really sweet and kind of you. Thank you. I love getting early birthday gifts. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Okay, this I'm not sure of because it's from like a company and I don't see anyone's name on it. So let's see what this is or who this is from. This is from, oh, also wishing me a happy birthday. I can't believe that you guys even remember my birthday. My birthday is June 4th, by the way, and I don't know that I've mentioned it very often on my channel. I'm not like always saying like, hey, my birthday's coming up, but you guys remembered, and that's so nice. Thank you so much. This is from my friend Bridget. I have so many friends. I've made so many friends in the last couple of years between YouTube and Patreon. It's like so wonderful. Oh, this is beautiful. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Look at how pretty this is. This is really, really gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. I don't know where I'm gonna keep this. I'm like already thinking, where should I keep this beautiful pillow? Maybe on my bed. It also seems like it could be like indoor outdoor, but I don't know if I want to keep it outside because I don't want it to get like dirty. This is so very pretty. I might keep it in my office on my chair. I don't know, I'll have to play around with ideas. But I love this, it's so nice. Thank you guys so much. That just like, my day was off to a shaky start, but this just made it so much better. So thank you guys. I'm trying really hard, guys, to stick with the 10-item wardrobe. But it's not easy because my mom just gave me a whole bunch of her hand-me-down clothes, and she has like really nice quality clothes where I normally buy my stuff at like Target or on Amazon. She has like designer clothes like Ann Taylor, Jones New York. What else do we have in here? White House Black Market. Like, this is all really nice stuff. Calvin Klein. So I'm just kind of going through and separating. These are all good because they're just cotton t-shirts, so I can just, you know, wear these over the summer. T-shirts are kind of considered add-ons, so I can have, you know, a decent amount of just regular tees. And then these are just a little bit fancier, and I only have 3 of those, so that's not too bad. Then I have some jackets, some like really nicely tailored jackets, and a couple of dresses. So I'm just trying to figure out what to do. I think a lot of this I'm going to pack away for the winter and reevaluate it then. I just made myself some lunch. I'm having a grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup. This is a really big bowl of tomato soup in my Central Perk huge coffee mug. And I'm going to resume where I left off this morning in planning my Universal trip. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to that and just relax for a little bit, and then I think I need to walk the dogs and pay some bills. It's so much fun when you film yourself talking for like 10 minutes and realize that your hair was completely sticking up on top, which is what I just did. But anyway, I just got back from walking the dogs. It is so nice out. I really think I need to move down south because in New Jersey, I feel like it is winter from September until, I don't know, the end of May, and the warmer weather and the sunshine just puts me in such a better mood, and I just feel like I would always be happy if I lived someplace warm and sunny and I wasn't always freezing and just trying to keep myself warm, because I don't like being cold. I have a way better time when I am really overheated opposed to being really cold. So yeah, I don't know, maybe when I retire I'm gonna have to move near Disney. Speaking of Disney, I just put together this itinerary. I shouldn't say just put together, I've been working on this for months, but we're traveling with 2 other families to Disney, and they have no idea what they're getting themselves into with me. But anyway, I put together a great plan for us, and I'm trying to not overwhelm them, but I feel like they really, really would get a lot out of this trip having a plan. I think that it's the people that go to Disney and they do not have any type of advanced planning. Those are the people that have a bad experience and don't want to go back. I feel like if you have somewhat of an itinerary or a guideline, or just have a clue of what to do and what to see, you're going to go back time and time again if that first trip is a great experience. And one of these families, this is their first time going to Disney. So I want to make sure that they have a great experience so that they do want to go back again, because it's just like the most amazing vacation ever. So I will be seeing them tonight because it is my son's last track meet of the season, and both of their sons are also in track, so we'll be able to chat a little bit about the trip and go over the itinerary that I put together, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And then for dinner, I think I'm going to barbecue depending on how late we get home from the meet, but I do have like stuff to grill tonight, so we'll see how that goes. And that is really the rest of the day. But now I really have to focus on some housework because since I ran out this morning with the car accident thing, I kind of got thrown off on my schedule. I didn't even do yoga this morning. That just occurred to me. I'm like, I feel off today. Why do I feel so off? That is why I did not do my yoga this morning. But also I didn't do the dishes yet. So that has to be done. I just have to tidy up a little bit around here. And then we're actually going to be headed to the track meet pretty soon. Today is the day these flowers finally bloomed. This is the view outside of my kitchen window, and the buds finally opened. I feel like it's so late because it's just been so incredibly cold, but now it's warming up, and look at these beautiful flowers. They're so colorful. I just love them so much. This is like the best view to have while I'm doing dishes. Please tell me it's not weird that I'm already almost done packing. More than a month before our trip. I don't know. I'm having so much fun packing this year. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys really soon. Okay, so it's like 6:30 at night. We just got back from the track meet and it's really hot out. Patrick did really well, and I don't think I'm going to be barbecuing now just because it's getting late and I'm just tired. So we're going to either run out and get something or do takeout. And yeah, I just wanted to check in quickly with you guys, but that's what we're up to now. Emily's boyfriend is always surprising her with flowers, and the deal is, if she keeps them in the kitchen, then I take care of them for her and they last way longer. So oftentimes we get to keep them in the kitchen and I just care for them, and they're so pretty. All right, so we are home. I actually went to Applebee's for the 3rd time this week. Yes, to outdoor dining. And feeling safe.
I wasn't invited.
No, Madison had plans tonight with my mom. She had her point class. She's doing like private point lessons because she's my prima ballerina. And she hung out with my mom tonight. I went to Applebee's and then I went to Walmart because tomorrow I have my niece's bridal shower and we're making Rice Krispie treats, and I got more. We made some today. Emily and Madison made some today, and I'm gonna make some more tomorrow, and we're like cutting them with cookie cutters into heart shapes, so they're really cute. Don't mind my office mess. This is the worst my office has ever looked.
Jeez, Mom, you're always yelling it out.
Just pay attention to Madison's dancing in the background. Don't look at the mess. Here comes Patrick. Anyway, so
okay, time for my vlog of everything I got at the mall.
Do you want to show the vlog? I'm actually vlogging right now.
Yeah.
You want to show?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I'm joking, actually.
All right. Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
You're in the vlog. So, what did you guys do?
I got a lot of clothes.
Nice.
And we ate a lot of food at Olive Garden.
I got something that you'd love, Jen.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
have Brandon show.
Okay, show it.
From American Eagle.
Is that Mickey?
Yeah.
I do love it.
I made him
Awesome.
get
Are you
it.
going to wear that in Disney?
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect.
He wasn't gonna get it, and I made him.
Did you get any Disney stuff, Emily?
Nobody else
Fake.
for Disney.
All right. All right, guys. We'll be back.
Bye.
Okay, so let's try this again. I am going to watch some Universal YouTube videos with Madison as we plan for our upcoming trip. I got us both some chocolate so we can just kind of relax and eat candy and watch stuff about Universal. So that's going to be the rest of our night. I'm gonna actually change, get ready for bed, get nice and cozy. And that's going to be it for today. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along. I feel like I didn't share very much today, but I will not know that for sure until I start editing. Hopefully it wasn't incredibly boring for you guys. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you all really soon. Good night.
Magic, shopping, you name it, we're going to do it. Tips and tricks are coming along the way to show you how to have the